If your Steam overlay is not working, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. This issue can happen because of permission problems, Steam settings, or conflicts with a specific game. But the good news is that the fixes are easy to try one by one. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to check Steam's global overlay setting. Open Steam and click on Settings. Once the Settings window opens, go to the In-Game tab. This is where Steam controls the overlay feature that appears on top of your game while you're playing. Now make sure the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game is turned on. If it's already on, try toggling it off and then back on again just to refresh the setting. Sometimes Steam just needs that quick reset to start working properly. Next, we need to check the overlay setting for the individual game. This is important because even if the global Steam setting is enabled, a single game can still have the overlay turned off on its own. So go to your Steam library, right-click the game that is giving you trouble, and select Properties. In the General tab, look for Enable the Steam overlay while in-game and make sure that box is checked. If it is unchecked, turn it on, then close the window and launch the game again. This step fixes a lot of overlay problems because the game-specific setting can override the main Steam setting. If the overlay still isn't showing up, the next fix is to run Steam as an administrator, especially on Windows 11. Sometimes Steam does not have enough permission to draw over the game window, and that can stop the overlay from appearing. To do this, fully close Steam first. Don't just minimize it. Right-click the Steam icon in the system tray and choose Exit Steam. Once Steam is completely closed, find your Steam desktop shortcut, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. If a permission prompt appears, click Yes. Then open your game again and test the overlay. Running Steam with administrator rights often resolves permission-related issues immediately. If none of those steps worked, there may be a conflict with another program running in the background. Things like screen recorders, overlay apps, RGB software, and even some antivirus tools can interfere with Steam's overlay. A good test is to close unnecessary background apps and try again. If you use Discord overlay, NVIDIA overlay, MSI Afterburner, or any other software that adds its own on-screen layer, temporarily disable those and see whether Steam starts working. This can help you identify the exact conflict. Another helpful step is to restart both Steam and your computer after making the changes. A simple restart can reload the overlay process and clear temporary glitches. After rebooting, open Steam normally, launch the game, and test Shift+Tab to bring up the overlay. That shortcut should open the Steam overlay if everything is configured correctly. If the issue is still happening, double check that Steam is fully updated and that your game is also updated to the latest version. Outdated software can sometimes break compatibility with the overlay feature. You can also try verifying the game files inside Steam, because missing or corrupted files may prevent certain features from loading properly. So to recap, the main fixes are: enable the global Steam overlay setting, check the overlay setting for the individual game, and run Steam as administrator if needed. In many cases, one of those steps is enough to get the overlay working again. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy gaming fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.